'Cause I love everything about you. Going up in smoke, I'm gonna douse it down with whiskey, so it ain't burning slow. Tonight I'm lighting up your memory like it's a last cigarette, from our first love to seeing you with him. I'm gonna burn it at both ends. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that is Burnt at Both Ends by Randall King. It was requested, so if you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments. I'll get to them as best as I can, all right? Also, please hit like so I can know that you enjoy my videos somewhat. It just means a lot to me when people hit like, so I really do appreciate it. And it makes it so that if you think the video is useful, so that more people see it. All right, and please hit subscribe and the notification bell if you enjoy the video. Even if you don't, so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos. Okay. All right. So standard tuning, you don't need a capo on here. All right. Super easy. So there's a handful of chords you're gonna need for this song. I'm gonna show you those. It's actually sorry, I said standard tuning. It is not standard tuning. It is a half step down. However, I am playing it in standard tuning. So because I'm out of town for a while. I'm out in Georgia. I'm from out west, so I don't have my other guitar that I just keep in standard in a half step down, so I'm just playing it in standard tuning, which you can do. You'll just sing it like a little bit higher because it's not tuned differently. So you can do that. It just won't sound exactly the same. Okay, so you're going to start half step down, so it won't sound exactly the same if you're doing standard tuning. So just know it sounds. If your guitar is tuned to half step down, it won't sound exactly the same as the album. All right, just know that. That's why this sounds a little bit differently, and I was singing it higher. So you're going to do G, all right, and C add 9. If you don't know C add 9, it's the same as this G. You just take the pinky off, take these fingers off, you leave that one, your ring finger there, and then you put your middle finger, all right, on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then you put your pointer finger, okay, you put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? All right, so that's what you're going to play. So you're going to start with down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're going to repeat that. So you're going to do that twice, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So then what you're going to do, then you're going to start palm reading, okay? So you're going to put this part of your hand as close to that like white part that I have on my guitar, right there, okay? As close as you can to that, and hit the bass notes more. So you're going to do, you're just going to do down, 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 down. Okay, so that's what you're going to do primarily for the verses. Now you don't have to. You can do the same strumming pattern that you were doing before, or you could even just do, if you want to do it open and just play it softer. You can also just do the higher notes. All right, like the G, B, and E. All right, you could just do that. You just want to be softer, all right, when you're doing the verse instead of the chorus. So what you're going to do here is you're going to start with G, all right? So you're going to do, I don't want one single night, okay? And then you start with G on I. I don't want one single night. And you do comin', okay, so that's C add 9. Coming back to haunt me, okay? Then you're going to go back to G after me. I can't let them baby blues come, and on come you do C add 9 again. So you're just repeating that for most of the verse, okay? So then you're going to do come back round to taunt me, and then you're going to stay on C add 9. You leave and left me hurtin', and then you're going to go to G over B, all right? So G over B is very easy to play. You're going to leave your pinky on, and then you're going to put your pointer finger, which is probably already there, right, if you're playing it like this. So you're just going to take everything off except for your pinky and your pointer finger. Pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? So, all right, like that. Girl, I'm tired of kicking. So you do that on girl. G over B. Girl, I'm tired of kicking, cursing. Then you're going to go back to C add 9, which is ring finger on and these. So I do a little goodbye burning. And then you're just going to do A minor. All right? And just let it ring out. And then he kind of repeats the lyrics. Sorry, is like, little goodbye burnin'. All right, then you're going to go into the chorus. Now for the chorus, you're going to do C add 9, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Cause I want everything about you. So remember, I'm singing it higher because I'm doing it in standard tuning, and it's a half step down. Because that cuz is C add 9, and you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're doing cause I love everything about you. Going up in smoke, I'm going to douse. Okay, douse is G. Douse it down in whiskey. So what you're gonna do is go from G, and then on douse, and then on whiskey, you're gonna take those fingers off, leave these your ring and pinky finger on, okay? And then you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the E string, okay? Down and on whiskey. On whiskey, that's D suspended over F sharp. Whiskey. Let's see, sorry, I messed that up. And whiskey. All right, so it works better if you hold it up instead of like that because you're muting a ton of the strings. So you're gonna hold it up, whiskey. So with ain't, it ain't is E minor. Ain't burning slow. Tonight I'm lighting. Okay, then lighten is C add 9. Lighten up your memory like it's love's. Okay, so love's. Lighten is C add 9. Then love's is A. Love's last cigarette. Then you go to A minor. From our first is A minor, first love to C in. C in is C over B. So for that, you're gonna keep your pointer finger on. Take these 2 fingers, all right, your ring finger and your middle finger, and you're just gonna put them on the 2nd fret, just like that, okay, on the A and D strings, all right. Seeing you with him, okay, him is C add 9, him. And then do that, down, down, up, down, up. I'm gonna burn it at both ends. And then you're gonna do G, C, add 9, okay? Just like you did the intro, and then go back into the verse, the palm muting for the verse, or however you wanted to play it, okay? Then you're gonna do the chorus again. Then after the 2nd chorus, you're gonna do G, C, then A minor next, A minor, C over B, and then C add 9. And then you go, because I want to know everything about you. I want everything about you, okay? So then you're gonna go into the chorus again. All right, and then when you do at both ends, when you end the song, okay? At both ends. All right. You could just do the end on a single strum like that, but it's gonna go end G, C, and if you want to do just like that on G, that will work great. Anyway, I hope this is okay, even though it's not in the same tuning, I hope this still, like the strumming and the timing of everything helps. I apologize, I just don't have my other guitar, and I hate tuning my guitar for one song. So about that, but I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.